What are you drawing?
I'm drawing Stitch, guys. I'm not copying, but I haven't copied a lot last time, but now I'm doing good.
She's drawing Stitch without copying. Sabi niya, she copied a lot last time, so now she knows without copying.
I know the colors too.
Tingnan niyo. So,
blue, dark blue, light blue, and pink.
Oh.
So I know.
We need to buy you more black text.
And black.
Yeah. Hinahanap ko yung marker na yung mga texter na hindi permanent, na puro black sana, wala. May alam ba kayo, guys? Kasi gamit na gamit sa kanya yung black. Tingnan mo yung black, oh. Paubos na. 3rd day of school holiday technically para sa amin. Kasi nga every Wednesday siya nagsa-start ng school, diba? And today is Friday.
I have to get black! I have to get black!
Happy Friday. Ang galing na niyo mag-drawing, guys. Tingnan niyo naman tong anak ko, oh. Stitch. Walang kopya-kopya. You got black? So, yan lang yung ginagawa niya.
My leg still hurts.
Your leg still hurts from last night? When you sleep on the stairs. That's why you gotta be very careful when you're walking up and down the stairs. Tumama yung dito niya. Paakyat siya. Paakyat siya, naglalaro-laro. Tumama yung dito sa stairs. Ang sakit niyan.
Last time when I fell off the stairs, he was going down, but that was worse.
Yeah, when you're going down and you play. That's why you gotta... Oh my gosh, look at you. Well done! Ang galing mo mag-drawing ba? Mas magaling ka pa sa akin.
I'm not making out.
Sorry?
I'm not making out.
Yeah, naghahanap ako ng pack ng texter na hindi permanent. Pero marunong na naman to. Hindi niya naman dinodraw sa sarili niya. Just in case yung ibang bata ba makakuha. Like Arlo. Yun, hindi mo yun mapagkakatiwalaan pa sa mga ganito. Does he? Is this working or not anymore? Kasi bago yan. Oh, far away. We'll put that in the bin then because that will no longer work.
But lucky I have this one.
Lucky you have that one. Yeah, that's nice. Is that a good black? Kasi crayon kasi yan, hindi yan texter.
I love it. It's like
that's fine. That's a really good black. Yeah. Yun din, binili din namin yan sa Office Works recently lang. So, ibang klase naman siya. Crayon siya na tinitwist mo, twist up. Pero yeah, yung mga ganito, si Arlo, kapag nagdo-drawing din, nasisira niya kasi madiin siya mag-draw. So, ayan, pumapasok sa loob. Hindi na tuloy nag-work. Ang dami niyang ganito na hindi na nag-work. Kasi pinupush ni Arlo.
The man, he has a daughter and she's not really good at drawing.
That's okay. Not everyone's good at it. I'm not very good at it.
She does that. And
yeah.
Scribbly eyes.
That's fine. That's fine. Alright, I'll finish my folding. I was checking on you. And Alo, nagpa-fold ako sa taas. Are you my good little man? Love you.
Happy Sunday.
Friday?
Happy Friday.
I'll finish my folding, okay? Be good there. I need to fold the clothes.
Why?
That was from yesterday's laundry. Pinatulog ko si Indy. So, tulog na siya. May white noise. So, na lang tayo, background music.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but.
Alright guys, it is 11:54 lunchtime. Nilabas ko to ngayon lang, so it's frozen still. Kapag bumibili ako ng pork belly, hindi ko naman kasi naluluto lahat. So yung ginagawa ko is, binuboil ko most of it, sometimes all of it, depende sa kung gaano kadami yung natira. Binuboil ko siya sa yung may panglasa na tubig. Like, lalagyan ko ng pepper, bay leaves, seasoning, asin. Tapos binuboil ko siya, tapos fini-freeze ko siya. So next time na gusto ko mag pork, i-air fry ko lang to guys. And okay na to kasi may panglasa na siya. So yung gagawin ko, i-air fry ko to ngayon. Ito yung lunch namin kasi meron pa akong rice na natira. By the way, the air fryer is really good. I like it. Ito yung Philips na double. So, meron siyang isang maliit and then isang medyo malaki. Well done. Nyla Stan. Good job. Well done.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna hide.
It's alright. Good job. Just gotta be really careful with the bowl, guys. Hindi cannot have the bowl. Well done, guys. Basang-basa na yung pito nyo. Hey, girl! Ito namang isa, tayo ng tayo. May mahawakan lang konti, tumatayo.
Mom!
Feeling ko maglalakad na to soon.
Tada!
Tadang! Ina-entertain ko yung mga kapatid mo.
Mom!
Yes. Oh, wow!
Mommy!
So, ito yung isa sa mga, I'm watching, isa sa mga toys na bigay ni Tito Wendell. Thank you, Wendell. So, hindi ko nga nilabas lahat nung binigay niya nung na-receive namin.
Thank you, so much. We appreciate it.
Aww.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Aww. So, ano yan? Isang pack ng ganyan. Siyempre, isa lang muna. Tigi-isa muna yung kinuha
Teacher,
ko.
in their 90s.
Ha?
Teacher, with the 90s.
Tito Wendell made these. Meron akong marami pa dun, guys. Kailangan ko pa yun i-check. Pero maganda kasi, alam mo yun, school holiday. So, meron silang paglilibangan na hindi kasali sa regular toy rotation nila. So, bago sa kanilang paningin. So, may enjoy nila ito. Kailangan lang talaga bantayan kasi ang bola maliit. Maliit, I know. You can't have the balls.
Mommy, mine was spinning.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done!
Cool.
Yep. Good job. Oh, well done. I was gonna say show the guys, but you got it already. That's from Tito Wendell again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Tsaka, tigda dalawa yung nilabas ko eh. For Ayla, yan, at tsaka yung bola nga. Tapos, yung kay Arlo is parang airplane. Airplane toy, at tsaka yan. Pero yan yung gustong-gusto nila. Where's your airplane toy? Show the guys. That's it.
And then make a sound.
Make a sound? Does it make a sound? Okay, show me. Oh, whoa. Go. Yep. Alright, let me check the pork. I think the pork's finished. Whoa, very cool. Nakatayo na naman yung isa. Nakatayo na lang.
Are we having lunch?
We are having lunch, okay? Where's your toy?
Happy Sunday, guys.
It's Friday.
Mommy, how long is this?
Oh my gosh.
And now okay, I think that's another PlayStation for us. That's another PlayStation for us. Mommy, look at this. Oh, I want to say, Lord, let me look a little bit older. I don't want to your love tonight. I don't want to lose your love tonight. Done. I don't want.
Nagbabaw yan sila, gay. Baw. Nag-perform sila, tapos magbaw sila ng ganun. Dapat itap yung likod at saka yung ano. Oh, sorry. I'm just watching you guys. You're doing a great job. Sorry? No, no more song toys. That's it.
Why?
That's it. Hiniwa ko lang ng maliliit yung pork, guys. So, hiniwa ko siya ng mga maninipis ganito. Tapos, yung ganito, kalaki, okay na sa akin. Tapos na ako kumain. Pero while kumakain ako kanina, pinapakain ko din yung mga bata. So, yung kanila, yan ako pa, nililiitan ko pa. Maliliit na squares. You can't find your ball. Ay, nako. What did I say about the ball? You need to look for it because I don't want Indy to find it. Maybe under the couch? Oh, did it? So, sinusubuan ko lang sila, guys. Kasi rice is very messy. Strong girl. Thank you, ate. We can open it.
Yeah, thank you.
It's yes style. Nothing for you guys.
Why?
It's mommy stuff. There's no candy. Oy.
I think that's candy. I think that's candy.
I don't think so.
It is. Can I sit on it?
You can sit on it, yeah.
And sit on it. I'm not letting it pop.
Do you wanna unbox it? Hindi, why? Do you wanna join? Say, dada. Kakaiba yung gapang nitong hinday ko. Ganyan, oh. Dinadrag yung sarili. Hello! Hi! Wait. Watch out. I'm gonna use the sharp thing.
Okay. What out there?
Yeah, careful.
What do you need there?
To open. I need it to open. You want me to open? You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll prove to you that there's nothing inside that's for you.
Me?
Nothing for you, I said.
Is this me?
I said nothing.
Is this
Nothing for you. Ano ba yung laman nito? Yes style to, guys, na package.
That's told me.
Alright. Let's see. Diba? Oy, dahan. Okay, thank you. Okay.
I'll bite it.
Dahan-dahan naman talaga, Ernst naman. Slowly, slowly put it down.
Soap.
That is body soap, yes.
Is this soap or oil?
Body shower oil.
Soap or oil?
For mommy.
They pull out mommy.
Yeah, for mommy. Oh my gosh,
Someone
Arlo.
open this?
Put it down. Sige.
If someone open that one.
Hmm?
If someone open this.
No.
Why?
We'll open it later.
Why?
Diba? I told you, nothing's for you.
I'll buy another perfume.
Oh, you will buy me another perfume. Thank you. A what? A big one?
Yes, this tiny.
Thank you.
This is tiny.
Oh, that's tiny. That's not a perfume though. That's for body wash. Nothing's inside for you guys. See? That's okay. I gave you guys a toy. Alright, mga damit at saka skincare. O, diba? Mga damit. Minsan kasi nauubusan na talaga ako ng i-order sa YesStyle. Go India. Go Indy. Go Indy. Ooh, careful naman. So, itong mga to para kay Miss. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, try mo yung retinal kasi gustong-gusto ko nga. So, inorderan ko siya, guys. This is for Tita Rich. And ito din for Tita Rich din. Yes, indeed. That's for Tita Rich. And these ones are for Tita Rich as well. So, next time magkita kami, bigay ko to sa kanya. Yan, para yan sa kanya. O, diba? Ngat-ngat agad. And this one is for me. Naghanap lang ako ng shower oil. And ito lumabas. It's from La Roche-Posay. La Roche, tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? Wala, uy, sana hindi natapon kasi parang, bakit parang oily. Nag-order ako ng dalawa kasi it says it's in stock, like ships within 24 hours. So, good. Lagay natin yan sa taas. Shower, ano lang yun guys, shower oil. Tapos nag-order ako ng mga damit na pareho kami ni Indy, nakapajamas pa din hanggang ngayon. Okay, pakita natin to saglit sa guys. Nag-order ako ng mga damit na pasok sa color analysis ko. Kasi, ang dami ko pang backup na skincare. Last order ko was, I think, mostly skincare. Tingnan nyo siya guys, tatayo talaga yan siya. Pag may mahawakan lang, tatayo talaga. That's for Tita Rich. So, let's keep it in a safe place. It's for Tita Rich. Yeah, that's for Tita Rich. Everything's for Tita Rich. Except for Tita Rich. That's for Tita Rich. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sinasabi ko, guys. So, magulo naman talaga yung vlog ko, diba? But i-expect nyo na extra magulo, extra maingay during school holidays because I have everyone. May araw na sobrang pagod talaga ako. Sabi ko, I'm not looking forward sa school holidays. Yun yung nararamdaman ko nung time na yun. Kasi nga, sobrang pagod ako, guys. But actually, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I was expecting na sobrang like mahihirapan ako. No. I love spending time with my kids. No? No? It's good. It's just hard work. It is hard work. Extra hard work kasi nga nandito sila lahat. But it's fine. Isla's very helpful. Kapag lang nag-away itong dalawa, yun yung pinaka-hate ko talaga. Come on, let's change you. Wala na naman ako sa sinasabi ko. Yun lang. Hindi tayo makapag-chika ng ayos. Say, ma. Ma. Da. Da. What are you saying? Ma. Ma. Da. Yeah, anyway, I was saying na I'm not looking forward to the school holidays and ganon. Kasi nga, pagod na pagod ako that time. Here, Indy. But it's actually not too bad. Not bad at all. It's fun because I love spending time with my kids. Yung ayaw ko lang is kapag nag-aaway sila. Kapag nag-aaway yung dalawang yan, alam niyo na kung sino. Yan yung ayaw ko lang. Alam ko naman hindi maiiwasan talaga. Mag-aaway talaga kasi sa edad, tapos magkapatid. Alam mo yun, mag-aaway at mag-aaway talaga. But I don't like it.
I made a toss on money.
You did you?
Yeah.
Wow, for me. Oh, thank you. Perfume?
Yes.
Tapos si Ayla, ang bait naman na din. Nag-o-offer ng tulong lagi. Alam mo yun? So, no, it's good. Parang nakonsensya kasi ako nung sinabi ko na I'm not looking forward sa school holidays. Na parang, uy, ano ka ba? It's you spending time with your kids. Hindi mo na maibabalik yan. Lagi kong inaano yan eh. Lagi kong nire-remind yung sarili ko na hindi mo na maibabalik itong stage na to na ganito sila kaliliit. So just enjoy it. Was it fun? Yeah.
These pens is in here.
Was it? Oh shoot. Put it on the bench. I need to put that back where it belongs.
Yeah, in Daddy's office.
In Daddy's office, yes. Kasi lilipas din to. Pag nag-school na si Arlo, mamimiss ko si Dudong. Alam mo yun, hindi mo na maibabalik na ganito sila ka liliit. Hold on. But then again, hindi mo din maiiwasan talagang mapagod and makapagsalita ng mga hindi mo naman talaga mini. Because I would rather be tired, but this kind of tired na I have like, you know, them, than tired na wala naman akong baby or wala naman akong mga anak. Ito yung pinagdasal ko to eh, di ba? Siguro, yan din siguro yung sagot sa tanong na paano ko nagagawa, paano ito nagagawa na ganito, ganyan. Kasi it is hard. It is hard. I'm not saying it's easy. Maybe I make it look easy. I just always remind myself na I prayed for this. I prayed for this life and now I'm living the life that I prayed for. Be freaking grateful. Diba? Yeah. So it's hard, yes, and it's exhausting, yes. But mas gusto ko bang hindi pagod pero walang baby? No. No, 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 no. So embrace it. Enjoy it. Lilipas din yung pagod. Like, itulog mo lang yan. Darating din naman yan. Alam kong hindi naman darating agad yung tulog, but it will come. And look at this. Look at the smiles, the happiness of the kids. Wag lang mag-away talaga. Pinaka-hate ko talaga yung nag-aaway. Yes? You're the best. Hello!
Look, you keep saying Ellen.
See? Tapos may ganito kang anak na apaka-sweet. Laging nire-remind sa'yo na you're the best mom in the whole wide world ever. And you are loved. Kuya always remind us that he loves us. You always remind us that you love us, don't you, Alo? You love Indy. Oh. Indy's a baby. Ay, no. Kunin ko to dito, babe. I-hold natin to sa mataas na lugar. Or actually, ay! Dito tayo para daan-daan lang si Indy. Ayan. Come on, girl! Pretty! Sus! Buyag ni mo, Inday. Mama. Say mama. Alright. So we have some knit pieces from Yes Style. Again, I have a 10% discount sa Yes Style, guys. It's Razor 10. So, meron silang maraming skincare. Again, if gusto nyong i-try yung retinal, guys, try it. Get it from Yes Style. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. And, ang gaganda ng reviews niya. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ang ingay mo naman, B. Bye-bye. See you later. Alright. Tanggalin ko lang sa plastic para mabawasan yung ingay ng sobrang maingay ko na bahay. How do I live? Oh my gosh, ang gaganda. Ang gaganda ng mga knit pieces, girl. Ang gaganda ng mga kulay, girl. Ay, mga mga pang-winter, na mga pang-malamig na mga damit na pasok sa color analysis ko, guys. Kasi sabi nga ni ChatGPT at naniwala naman ako, sabi niya ako daw ay deep autumn. Alright, first is this neat piece right here. Meron siyang zipper dyan sa taas. I'm not 100% sure about this kasi parang gusto niyang maging oversized but not really. I'm not sure. We'll see. Suot natin yan. This one, I love the color. So, chocolate brown or like yung mga dark brown is really in this season. And then, pasok pa siya sa color analysis ko. So, even better. And this one, ang ganda ng kulay. Ang soft din ito, ha? Sana lang yung ilalim soft din. May amoy lang talaga yung mga knitted pieces nila. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, I love. Tapos meron siyang kasamang pa scarf na parang, ay, actually, para siyang uod. Ayoko ng scarf na yan. This one is a dark gray one. Ito, soft din. Soft din to, guys. Ililive ko yung mga link nito sa baba. This is nice and soft as well. Again, pasok sa color analysis ko, dark gray. I love this one. And it's, makapal. And then I got this one. Another, parang oversized jumper. Ito naman parang cable knit yung style. Okay, this one. Alright. This one is a mock neck. Parang ang laki. But we will see. It's just a mock neck style. Gusto ko din yung ganyan eh. Yung mock neck na style. Maganda to with my charcoal na coat. Parang same color family. But darker yung coat, tapos lighter na inner. Maganda yan. Mas gusto ko yung mock neck na style kaysa turtleneck. So, yung turtleneck is yung talaga. Covered talaga yung neck mo. What happened to the TV?
It's totally here.
Oh, sorry. I think I muted.
It's not making sound.
Is it fixed?
No, it's not making sound.
Check. Is it fixed?
No, it's not here.
Yes? Yay. And the next one is this one. Another mock neck. And makapal din to. Tapos soft din to. Maganda to, guys. Again, the chocolate brown color. Oh my gosh. And this one. Ito yung hindi ko mahanap-hanap na kulay. Ito pasok dito sa color analysis ko but wala akong ganito. Meron pala. Na ngayon ko lang naalala. Yung jumper ko na binili ko sa Tommy. Yeah. But, sobrang dark niya na papunta na siyang black na parang... Oh, wow. Pag sa vlog nga, para siyang black. Well done. You made scissors. Well done. Oh, you okay? Diba? Lagi na tayo. Kaming lahat na tinatamaan ni Indy. Wala siyang pakialam. Bangga lang siya ng bangga. Say sorry, ate. Say sorry. Oh, she said ba. She said baba, sorry. That's her sorry. Say it's okay.
That's okay. Do you want to have a haircut?
Oh no, do you want a haircut?
No!
Huwag mong ganyanin. Susuka ka. Batang bata. Why are you putting your fingers in your mouth? Silly Billy. So, ito yung last. Makapal din siya. Tingnan nyo kung gano'n to creative tong aking ate. She made that. She made scissors out of the cardboard. See? That's so clever. Well done, girl! So pretty and so smart and so creative and so helpful. I love my ate.
Mommy, what else we have when we maybe when I'm in reception, when I'm in reception, I will sleep in my room.
You should, yeah.
When I'm in reception.
When you're in reception, that's very soon. So you're gonna sleep in your room.
Electricity gone!
Silly.
You wanna have a haircut?
Sige na, okay. Panty mo, Bi.
Oh no! Oh no!
Siya nagbihis nito. Siya na talaga. Alright, down, down. Good job. I-quick wash ko lang. I-quick wash ko lang to kasi medyo may amoy siya. Yung kaka-fold ko lang, tapos magwa-wash na naman ako. May fold na naman ako. Actually, itry ko muna. Itry ko muna kung ano yung gusto kong i-keep. Kasi kung hindi ko siya i-keep, hindi ko na siya i-wash. Ibibigay ko na siya diretso. Yeah. Hindi. Cute ni hindi. Hello, baby! Kanina pa siya nakatitig sa akin. Hello, girl! What do you think about this? Is it nice? Ang ganda ng kulay. Ang ganda ng kulay, no? Yeah. Not wearing the right bottoms, but you get it. You get the point. Uy, B, wag mong banggain yan si Edgy. Maawa ka naman.
My iPhone.
Your iPhone. Watch out.
I'm gonna do TikTok.
There you go. I love your iPhone, girl. I like the color. So nice.
Hello, guys. Hot chocolate dog. And I'm gonna put these in. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We only need 2.
So
One each.
So we just need 2.
You can use that one up. Yep. Put it in the cup. Masarap to, guys. Limited edition lang din. Sabi ni Dan yung last bili niya, konti na lang daw yung display. So, hopefully pagbalik ko ng Higgs meron. Hindi ko alam kung saan, kailan ako makakabalik.
How do you actually?
I'll do that, Baba. Wait.
And then I can do that one.
Masarap siya. Tapos, yung ano pa niya, yung loob niya, meron na siyang marshmallow na malaki din. Try kong pakita mamaya. Don't break the plastic. Yeah. Good job. That's how you do it. Good job. Put it in Mommy's cup. Thank you, girl.
And now we put milk.
Yeah, the milk's not ready yet. So, pwede naman na i-microwave yung milk. But gusto ko kasi yung mainit talaga. So, I boil the milk. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. And then, see? Meron siyang malaking marshmallow sa loob.
Okay,
Ayan.
let me try now.
But, the marshmallow melts. Careful, Ayla. It's really hot, baby. So, be careful. So, yan. Magme-melt yung chocolate, pati yung marshmallow. Tapos, ang sarap niya. Diba, Edge? Where's Edgy? Edgy? Thank you, girl. Thanks for helping us, girl. Linis lang yan siya. So, sinet ko siya na go through the whole house. Well, not whole house. Dito sa baba. Twice. Pero vacuum lang yan. Gabi-gabi. Yan yung setting. Kapag feeling ko, kailangan ng mop, i-change ko siya into vacuum and mop. But yeah, most nights, it's just vacuum but go through the whole downstairs twice. Tas alam na din ng mga bata, before dumating yung 8:00, kailangan clear na yung bahay. Like, wala nang toys na nakakalat para makapag-work siya ng ayos. Hoy! What are you doing?
I'm licking it.
You are licking it. Be careful, Baba. See? It's dirty.
It's okay.
Bask in the glory of the winter sun. Baby, this is the season.